Hello, everyone. Do you know about the Data Science Capstone and how it is used? Don't wait. Welcome to GoLogica. Here we can explore the Data Science Capstone Training in depth. Here we discuss extensive modules, career roles, and competitive salaries in the AI and data science industry. Gain valuable insights into industry demands, real-world projects, and expert guidance to accelerate your career. Let's see the roadmap of the Data Science Capstone program. About course, prerequisites, salaries, about training. About course today, we discuss the Data Science Capstone Training course. This program is designed to provide practical experience in data science, equipping learners with essential skills in Python programming, data analysis, machine learning, and deep learning techniques. The course helps participants develop industry-relevant expertise, preparing them for careers in data science and AI. The Data Science Capstone Training is an advanced program designed for professionals and students aiming to master and apply data science concepts to real-world problems. This course provides in-depth knowledge of data science methodologies, statistical analysis, and machine learning techniques. It covers data preprocessing, data visualization, predictive modeling, and deep learning using Python. Learners will gain hands-on experience with tools like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. In this course, participants will explore how to clean and manipulate data sets, perform exploratory data analysis, and implement various machine learning algorithms. They will learn about feature engineering, model evaluation, and optimization techniques to enhance predictive accuracy. The training includes supervised and unsupervised learning methods, covering classification, regression, clustering, and deep learning architectures, such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs. Prerequisites of this course. To enroll in the Data Science Capstone Training, it is recommended that participants have basic programming skills in Python, a fundamental understanding of statistics and linear algebra, concepts such as probability, distributions, matrix operations, and calculus play a key role in data science. Familiarity with machine learning concepts. While not mandatory, prior exposure to basic machine learning techniques like regression and classification is advantageous. Here is an estimate of the salary for different roles in data science. Data scientist analyzes data, builds models, and the average salary is $95,000 to $130,000 per annum. ML engineer develops machine learning systems that can earn $100,000 to $135,000 per annum. Deep learning engineer designs neural networks, and the average salary is $110,000 to $145,000 per annum. AI research scientist innovates AI algorithms. The average salary is $125,000 to $160,000 per annum. Data analyst interprets business data. The average salary ranges from $70,000 to $100,000 per annum. Big data engineer manages large data sets. The average salary is $105,000 to $140,000 per annum. BI analyst generates business insights and can earn an average salary ranging from $80,000 to $110,000 per annum. Finally, we discuss about this training. The Data Science Capstone Training course covers essential concepts and hands-on experience in AI and data science. It includes modules on data science, data manipulation, analysis, visualization, statistics, machine learning, feature engineering, deep learning, natural language processing, NLP, big data and cloud computing, and a capstone project. The course includes live instructor-led sessions, real-world case studies, certification, resume building, interview preparation support, and flexible learning options to suit individual schedules. GoLogica offers an extensive program with real-world experience, including case studies and projects. Participants will also explore cutting-edge tools and technologies like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and cloud-based AI platforms. The curriculum is designed to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, ensuring learners gain industry-relevant expertise. In this training, learners will not only develop strong theoretical knowledge, but also work on real-world case studies and industry-driven projects. This practical approach ensures that they are capable of building, training, and deploying AI-powered solutions across various domains like healthcare, finance, marketing, and e-commerce. The course also emphasizes ethical considerations, responsible AI practices, and effective communication of data-driven insights. The Data Science Capstone Training equips learners with the essential knowledge and practical skills to excel in AI and data science. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, this program provides the tools and guidance needed to succeed in data-driven industries, gain hands-on exposure, work on innovative projects, and build a strong foundation in AI. Enroll today and take the first step toward a rewarding career in data science and artificial intelligence.